ahead, get at me. But one thing I ask you, let me be the one to wear that ass suit. Yeah, from Malibu to Caribou, they had a big machine daddy. So hit me up when you pass through. There's something that you like to the ass suit. So I get it when you dress casual. I mean, it's almost unbearable. In a heart for years not there without all the parts that pitch you pass by. Nothing like a leg, I just swear for you. I just had to pull your head. So I should watch and wait. You just let the two did it dip. Not many women with two lip, yeah, but I'm not saying, come on, everybody. No shake the vibe. Get down. Get up, well. Like it hurt. Like it hurt. What you want like well? Hey, hey, yeah. Baby, can you feel? I got this from Jamaica. It always works for me. I gotta do the thing. No more pretending. It's how you're winning. Here's our beginning. And that's what I'm gonna take with you, girl. I know you want it. I know you want it, baby. I know you want it. You're a good girl. You let it pass me. You're from the plastic. So don't get past our haters' red lights. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. You're a good girl. The way you grab me, my fun gymnastics. Go ahead, get at me.
Yes, guys, thank you so much. So, I guess we're gonna take a short break. But we will be right back. Mag-rest na kami.
Yeah, thank you.